Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about a topic that's really important, but many of us simply ignore that, and that's the importance of learning new crafts in a world where jobs are becoming increasingly automated. With the rise of artificial intelligence and other technologies, many people are worried about their jobs being replaced by machines. But I believe that learning new crafts can help us not only adapt to this new reality but thrive in it. So, if you're interested in learning more about why you should be learning new crafts, then keep watching. First, let's talk about why jobs are becoming automated. With advances in technology, machines can now perform many tasks that were previously done by humans. From self-driving cars to automated customer service, machines are increasingly able to do jobs that were once considered safe from automation. And while this technology has brought many benefits, it has also raised concerns about job security. Many people worry that as more jobs become automated, there will be fewer and fewer opportunities for human workers. So, what can we do about it? One solution is to learn new crafts. By developing skills that are difficult for machines to replicate, we can position ourselves for success in an increasingly automated world. For example, learning to knit, sew, or embroider requires a level of creativity and dexterity that machines simply can't match. Similarly, learning to cook, bake, or garden requires a deep understanding of ingredients, flavors, and textures that can't be replicated by a machine. By developing these skills, we can create value that machines can't, and position ourselves for success in a changing job market. Another reason to learn new crafts is that they can be incredibly fulfilling. In a world where so many jobs are focused on productivity and efficiency, it can be refreshing to engage in a hobby or craft that allows us to slow down and focus on the process. Whether you're knitting a sweater, painting a picture, or making a piece of jewelry, there's something deeply satisfying about creating something with your hands. And while there's certainly value in being productive and efficient, it's also important to take time to engage in activities that bring us joy and fulfillment. Finally, learning new crafts can help us build community. In a world where so many of our interactions happen online, it can be easy to feel disconnected from others. But by joining a crafting group, taking a class, or attending a workshop, we can meet new people who share our interests and passions. And while crafting may seem like a solitary activity, it can actually be a wonderful way to connect with others and build lasting friendships. Conclusion. So, there you have it. 3 reasons why everyone should be learning new crafts in an age of increasing automation. Whether you're looking to develop skills that are difficult for machines to replicate, find fulfillment in a hobby or craft, or build community with others, learning a new craft is a great way to invest in yourself and your future. So, why not give it a try? Whether you're interested in knitting, woodworking, pottery, or any other craft, there's never been a better time to start. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.